ClickTime has a suite of powerful, easy-to-use, and customizable reports to help you better understand and optimize your business. ClickTime's reports offer insights into long-term trends and outliers, giving you immediate answers to key questions about your business. With more than 70 out-of-the-box reports, all of your employees' data is available at your fingertips. Our reports offer several different filtering options and can be used to get both the specific details of time entry on a daily basis as well as high-level summaries over a larger time frame. With Report Builder, you are able to use ClickTime data to create and format your own reports. You can build your own formulas, filter the data, and aggregate your totals to display exactly what you need. Custom reports can be saved and shared, giving you the flexibility to manage your team exactly the way you want to. Our customizable data export can be used to download all timesheet information over any period of time, which you can then export and format however you'd like. We even offer XML linking, so once you set your workbook to fit your preferences, you can refresh with new ClickTime data as it is entered into the system. We also have a professional services department that can create custom reports on an as-needed basis. Contact us to learn more about getting a report that works just for you. ClickTime, 20 years of business, hundreds of millions of hours of timesheet data, and virtually limitless report possibilities. Sign up for a trial at clicktime.com today.